Chapter 14. The Abduction of Sita. Sita, hearing the anguished voice of Ram calling out from the forest, turned to Lakshmana and insisted he go out to help his brother. When Lakshmana, suspecting a Rakshasa trick, remained unmoved, Sita was furious. "You will not help your brother when he is in need? I have seen the way you look at me. Secretly, you desire Ram to be killed so that you can have me for yourself." Lakshmana was shocked and hurt by the accusation. He looked upon his older brother Ram as his father, and as such, Sita as his mother. But Sita continued her tirade against him. Blinded by fear and desperation, she would say or do anything to get Lakshmana to go out and bring her husband back safely. Incensed, Lakshmana finally agreed to go find Ram. But before he left, he drew a protective circle around the cottage. Lakshmana then darted off into the forest to find his brother. Sometime after he left, Sita was visited by an elderly Brahmin. Brahmins passing by in the forest would occasionally stop by and ask for food. Sita was nervous, being alone. She was usually accompanied by either Ram or Lakshmana. However, refusing a Brahmin's request for food would not only be inhospitable, but also lead to great misfortune on the ones denying the request. The trio was close to the end of their exile. Her husband was in possible danger. The last thing that Sita wanted now was to offend the Brahmin and incur his wrath. She went inside to prepare some food and brought it out to the Brahmin. The Brahmin, sitting on a rock just outside the cottage, insisted she bring the meal to him. "I am weak from hunger, child. Bring the food to me." Sita's mind was a storm. Worry for Ram, guilt over the harsh words she had directed at Lakshmana. Without thinking, she stepped over the line of protection that Lakshmana drew. A monstrous laugh shook the forest as the demon king of Lanka dropped his disguise and ensnared the beautiful princess. Drunk with power and glee over his triumph, Ravana thundered, "You are mine, beautiful one, now and forever." Sita's screams echoed out and attracted the attention of a bird perched on a nearby tree. But this was no ordinary bird. This was Jayatu, the king of vultures. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.